them, different healers and things had tools at their disposal that they could use to help alleviate pain and help people with illnesses and diseases, right? A lot of them, most of them, were plant-based, right? And came from nature. And then the pharmaceutical companies burst onto the scene and created all kinds of crazy compounds and things that they can sell for huge prices to help people get temporary pain relief. And instant gratification and temporary pain relief has become what a lot of people expect. So what does this have to do with building your business and growing your business? Number one, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to have emotional and physical challenges and pains that pop up as you are growing and building and supersizing your business. Sometimes those are called obstacles, roadblocks, setbacks, and they come in all different shapes and colors and forms. They might come in terms of people challenges or your own personal health challenges or people you love and care about, etc. They might come as legal challenges or tax challenges or government regulation challenges. But I guarantee you're going to get them. And the bigger your company gets, the bigger those problems are going to be. So you might as well figure out how are you going to deal with them and not have them be in excruciating pain every time something happens or changes in your business. And the other thing that this idiom really calls to mind to me these days is if you aren't solving a problem, if your business is not solving a problem for someone, and if you don't know what that problem is and how to communicate it to people, you're going to struggle. You're going to have trouble because that's how you go about supersizing and growing your business and reaching more people, is making sure that they understand you got the solution for them. It's going to be quick, easily, and pretty much painless for them because you're going to take care of all the heavy lifting. And the better job you can do at doing that for them, communicating that to them, and sharing it with them, they'll share it with other people, and that's how your business will supersize and grow. Love to know your experience with pain and pain killing or painkillers. Like I said, I've got a long history of chronic pain, so I've had a lot of practice dealing with challenges and pain, literally physical as well as emotional pain, because pain isn't ever just physical. It's got an emotional component that goes right along with it. And if you don't deal with both, you can end up in trouble. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'm going to celebrate my son's birthday and see all my granddaughters today. And that is never a pain. It's exciting, it's excruciating, it's chaos, but it's not painful. It's all out of love. All right, see you tomorrow.